Dear students, as you know that your periodic test is going to be started from tomorrow, that is from 19th of this month, and the test of physics and chemistry will be on 21st of this month, that is on Monday, coming Monday. I have already uploaded some question papers regarding your periodic test examinations based on MCQ type. Dear students, you will have to keep one point in your mind that such type of questions must be asked in your coming examination. Not the same questions will be asked. Again, I am going to repeat it. Don't think that same questions will be there in your coming periodic test. But this type of questions must be asked in your coming periodic test. So my motto to upload this type of practice paper is to make you potential to gain knowledge based on the MCQ type questions, so that you can easily solve the questions of periodic test, coming periodic test. In this question paper, I have given the questions of both physics as well as chemistry. There are total 10 questions. All are MCQ type. After solving all the questions, you can match the answer with my answers that I am going to give you at the last of this video. But you will have to solve it first by own. Then you will have to match whether your answers are correct or not with my answer. First question is, mass is the measure of, and options are given, force, inertia, momentum, none of these. Similarly, all the questions are there. I think it is not necessary for me to read out the question because it is very clear to all of you. So only I am here to focus on the questions as well as the options respective to the questions. So just go through the questions along with their respective options and write the answer of respective questions on one page. After writing the answer, you will have to wait for the last part of this video, in which I am going to give you the answers of this question paper, so that it will be very easy for you to check whether your answers are correct or incorrect. So first of all, read out all questions, write their answers, then you will have to check. Yes, now pause this video. Just please pause this video, and then you will have to solve it. And now I am going to speak out the answers. The answer of the first question is match with your answer. The answer of the first question is B, that is inertia. Answer of second question is C, that is gravitational force is always attractive. Third question has answer Tyndall effect. B, water and milk, the mixture of water and milk shows Tyndall effect. The answer of fourth question is compound. H2O is an example of a compound. The answer of fifth one is C, that is 0. During free fall, an object is, in the case of weightlessness, that is weight of the object during free fall is 0. Answer of sixth is sublime. Anthracene is an example of sublime material. For seventh, the answer is A. Colloid is quite stable. The answer of question number 8 is D, that is all of these. Displacement may be positive, negative or 0. So the correct answer is D. Answer of 9th is C. Motion along circular path may be accelerated, may be decelerated. Because on circular path, if an object moves, then it may move with the same speed or variable speed. So it is an example of both accelerated as well as decelerated. So the correct option is C. Answer of the 10th one is A. Majority of elements are metals, not metal whites, non-metals. So majority of elements are metals. Maximum elements that we have till now in this world are metals. Maximum elements are metals. That is option is A. Correct option is A. Now you have to match with your answers with my answers and then give your comments in my comment section box that how many answers that you have made true. How many questions that you have solved properly without any help. Thank you.